how are you doing today? Today I would like to show you how to make a caipirinha. Regardless that is called the national drink of Brazil, personally for me I learned and I fell in love with that drink in Portugal. I've been living there for quite some time. The first time was during my university studies and it was our drink of choice when going out. And then for work reasons, maybe 8 years ago, I was living in Lisbon for more than a year. And again, that definitely defined my true love to this drink. It's a great cocktail. There have been many theories about the origin of the cocktail. However, I pick up the three most probable ones. The first one says that the Caipirinha originated from Alentejo in Portugal around 1918 as a remedy for fighting against the Spanish flu, and it contained aguardiente, which is a general term for any spirit that was made from cane sugar juice with the addition of honey and garlic. Here I want to put a disclaimer about the Spanish flu. Most people, I think, assume it started from Spain. Actually, since Spain was neutral during the World War I, the media there focused on the Spanish flu, which was spreading quite fast across Europe. And the rest of Europe, being in the middle of a war, they were busy with dealing with other things. The second theory about the origin of the drink states that it was created or is a riff of a traditional Portuguese drink from the island of Madeira. But as far as I managed to learn, the Brazilian population believe the drink is 100% Brazilian, and it originates from a place or a region in the São Paulo state. And actually the name Caipirinha comes from caipira, which is the word they use in this region to call the people from the countryside. Today I'm using Ipioca Cachaça. The most common brand I've found in supermarkets, at least in Europe, is Pitu Cachaça. But talking with some colleagues and friends from Brazil, they all say it's low quality, cheap cachaça, and usually the people in Brazil, having way wider variety of options, they tend to choose something more mid to high range. Let's not waste more time and start with our drink. We take our rocks glass, and for the measurements today I'm gonna stick to the International Bar Association specs. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take one lime. I'm taking this one, which is quite big. We're gonna cut it in half. Now I'm gonna cut a wedge and put it aside. So then I'm gonna keep cutting on 8 wedges. And then we're gonna cut the lime in cubes and put it in our rock glass. Since my lime is quite big, I will not use it all. Okay. So the recipe, the official recipe, calls for 4 teaspoons of sugar, and since I'm using regular castor sugar instead of simple syrup, I think with these specs the drink will not be overly sweet, since the sugar will not completely dissolve, and will give at the end a good balance. So we put 1, 2, 3 and 4 spoons. I assume you can use white sugar as well. All the times I've been ordering this in Portugal, they always make it with brown sugar, and for me it's better since the extra flavor of the brown sugar plays well with the rest of the ingredients. So we take our muddler and we will muddle gently the lime with the sugar in the glass. No need you to press too much, just to release the sugar, the juice from the lime. Okay. And then we're gonna fill the glass with crushed ice. Okay. And of course we need our cachaça, 2 ounces or 60 mils of cachaça, which we're gonna put on top. I already can smell the slightly kind of funk and smokiness of the cachaça. Oh, I love this drink. Okay, then I'm gonna top up with some more crushed ice on top. Yeah, I need to buy the scoop. I didn't have it this time. And to garnish, you can keep it without a garnish, or in my case, I will put a lime wedge. And we take our spoon, mix it gently, and we're gonna add a straw. So that is how we make a caipirinha. Hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss any future videos, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.